What's up, Dang Gang?
This is a boy Dang Dang, and we're back with another video for y'all.
Hey y'all, did ya miss me? All right. Alright y'all, so today we have...
We gotta do this. Oh, sorry. I mean like this.
What's that?
This,
Okay.
Boom!
Alright. That's something new. Alright y'all, so today
Clap.
we have a whole... Oh yeah.
That's a new clap.
A new clap? Okay. We have a whole salmon.
And broccoli.
And broccoli and mashed potatoes.
And lemon.
And lemon, yep. And I have the 2x spicy sauce I'm going to put on my side. Yeah, I'm going to put that on mine.
And I have some juice with Anna for tea for my sister.
She don't see it. They don't see it, Papa.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I just have to put a bit closer. Now they can see it.
Okay. All right, y'all. So
Come on, I'm going to
we're about to dig in. I'm about to give Aria her piece of salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon. What y'all call it? Salmon or salmon? Salmon.
I'm a salmon.
I made this myself. It's a little tender. Yeah, very tender.
That's very good.
Okay.
Can I have the broccoli?
Yes, ma'am. So excuse me.
Excuse me. He needs to do that. I just want to say.
You want mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? How y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a great day. I don't know what day it is, but happy whatever day it is. Okay. Here you go.
I'm going to try the broccoli.
I'm about to dig right on in. It's a little dark. It's a little dark. I hope y'all can see me. I got a little 2x spicy right there. I'm gonna put.
Oh, I like spicy.
I know, that's why I put it on the side.
I don't want no spicy.
I know, baby. I hope y'all having a great day. I hope y'all being safe out here. And washing. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh. What the hell?
What is it?
Woo. That's good though.
Take a spoon. I want to go. Oh, sorry.
I hope y'all being safe out here and washing your hands, y'all. There's so many people passing away from this stuff, and it is very scary.
Excuse me. Oh, people doing that. I'd say, excuse me.
Read into a thumbnail, poo-poo.
Oh!
Come on.
I always have to do dum-dum. But I don't know what's on.
Come on. Look at the camera.
I was so funny.
Okay. So this salmon, how y'all pronounce it? It is very good. I made it myself. I marinated it in honey, butter, garlic, lemon, onion, pepper. Onion powder, pepper. For like an hour or two.
And lemon. I don't like lemon. Put a away from me. Good piece of this.
That's so good. What y'all eating today?
Oh, oopsies. I'll get it.
It's okay, leave it down. I have not posted in the last day or two. There's just so much stuff going on. But I'm here today. Hey, baby. Eating your food?
Mm.
Why are you so quiet today?
Because I'm having a cough.
Huh?
I have a cough. I have a bit of a hot fever.
You do not have no cough or fever.
Yes, I do. Oh, says I always do.
I am.
My dad always gives me medicine. Wait.
I checked your temperature. You don't have a fever and you have not been coughing.
Oh, yeah, I think you're right. I don't have a fever. I'm better. I don't like
She just been hearing me talking about it.
Uncle, I don't like medicine, you know. Every girl likes medicine, but I don't. Cameron don't like medicine, but I don't like medicine, you know.
It'll make you feel better if you're sick.
What? No. I'm not going to have medicine again. Yuck.
If you feel sick around here, you get some medicine, baby.
But I just...
You got everything you need. Robitussin, Theraflu, bitch.
I just
Come on.
cough with the medicine. Then I just spit it out. No, I just spit it out. I just coughed and I spit it out.
Nah. You did it on purpose.
I did that yesterday.
You did it on purpose because you didn't want to take the medicine.
I did, but I just coughed.
Mm-hmm.
I should have asked you to help me. But I need some paper towel.
What's your food, Papa?
Okay, I'm going to eat a dough rush. I'm going to dough rush. Get it. Okay, can I do one kind of piece? No. Oh, that's fine. I just have to get it out. Almost got it. Ooh, caught it. Ah. What's on this? Oh, go. This is the yuckiest food.
What?
This is yucky food.
It is not.
I just tried this. I just don't like it. Oh.
It's good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Why you say it was yucky?
Well, there's a bit of a thing in there.
A bit of a thing in there. Like what?
Maybe a spider or a worm or a bug.
What?
I don't know what was it.
I don't know, but stop twisting in this chair. Stop.
I can't stop. I want to tell you something about it.
Until you eat, you're going to be thirsty.
And it'll be hot.
Oh well.
Well, I want to drink.
You're not going to drink. Y'all remember that back in the day? Growing up, you couldn't eat. You couldn't drink nothing until you ate your food.
Oh.
These kids nowadays don't know how to act.
I I don't know how to ask. No turn if I
Alright, I said stop.
Hey.
Spinning the shirt, don't do that.
Well, if I don't have something to drink, well, I'm not eating it anymore.
Well, if you're not eating no more, you won't be drinking.
Just one bite, and that's all.
Nope. I ain't enough. That ain't enough, bro.
Uncle, you're learning manners. Uncle, do like this.
What? What manners? What I do?
You can't open your mouth. That's rude.
I didn't open my mouth.
Yes, you did. You use manners like this.
Shoot with your mouth closed.
Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, I ate it all.
No, you didn't.
Hey, don't tell me that.
What are you talking to?
That was so rude.
Do you know what's rude?
What?
Your mouth and the way you be talking. Eat your food.
Got it. Now I'll eat it. Got it. But why is that? Ew. This is disgusting.
Alright, eat that food.
Okay, I just got some. I just have some of this one stuck in my mouth.
Swallow your mouth.
It's too sticky.
No, it's not. Eat some broccoli.
I don't like the broccoli. But I know it's the apple juice had juice.
This quarantine is driving us crazy.
It's not crazy.
Can't go outside.
Oh, like my back with Blaze. Blaze was in the mud. Then he just went around my back like this. Okay, he was like this. Then I can't drive nowhere. It was raining.
You remember that?
Was it yesterday?
No, it was not yesterday. It was a couple of weeks ago.
Oh. So juicy.
We ain't been outside in these streets. I'm really scared to go out.
Please, Uncle, don't be a scaredy cat. Uncle, don't be a scaredy cat.
All right. I try not to be.
What? I want some of my broccolis. Wait,
Yeah, I am full.
eat more.
You eat more. You in here playing with your food and stuff, not eating your food like you're supposed to. Ain't gonna tell me you to eat more? You gonna eat more like a big girl?
Yep.
Are you now? That spicy sauce is spicy. I don't know how people can eat that. We just eat it.
Uncle, eat everything.
Now eat it like it ain't nothing. Booty hole gonna be on fire.
What?
My bad.
Let me grab this. Uncle, where's there's a fire? You just crawl off the house. Where's there a fire? You crawl off the house.
Wait.
I said, if there's a fire, you crawl out the house.
Yes, you crawl out the house.
How? Why do we do that?
So you won't get burnt by the fire.
Or we'll get burned forever?
Mm-hmm.
I think I have break my lungs.
What?
I have break my lungs.
You're so gross, crazy.
I'm not crazy. You're crazier. Uncle, look at it in there.
Oh no!
I found that.
Your hair is so messed up already. This is quarantine and chill. 2 braids to the back. Look.
Hey.
2 braids. 2 braids to the back.
Grandpa just carved Anna. Oh, I want to skating out the Anna. And beat me guard. And he freed Anna. Then I was sad. But I wasn't sad anymore because she unfreezed it.
Wait.
Yeah, because I was really sad because the bad guy froze her because he was mean.
Mm-hmm.
Then what I did, I have the ice magic. Then I froze all about an accident. Then he froze back to see me. Sorry, it's just me. Now jump the area. There's sauce on this.
I'm sleepy. Man, this is boring. No, that you can't go outside. It's so boring. Right now, you get out of control. Hit me. Why are you stuffing your mouth? Stop doing that. That's not nice. All right, y'all. We're about to get up out of here because.
Yeah, okay.
Huh? What? We're about to get up out of here, y'all, because it is.
Eat everything.
No, I'm not eating nothing else. Alright, y'all, we about to get up out of here. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here, y'all. We're constantly growing. I love y'all so much. We had 141,000. We're going to have more videos coming very, very soon. And that's about it. Love you.
Peace.
Peace. Love you.
Peace.
Peace.